That's what I.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's a quick get ready with me video that I'm gonna be filming. I look like shit right now, but I just want to show you guys what I look like before. So I'm gonna do my hair and I'm gonna do my face. I'm gonna bathe. I just painted my fingernails, so you know. But before I go on to this video, y'all please click the subscribe button, like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, click that subscribe down below. Click it! Okay, so I'm still gonna put my hair in a sleek ponytail, but not with extensions. Reason being, the hair I got is too short. So I'm going to the gym tomorrow. It's my first time back to the gym. So I thought I would just try putting my hair in a sleek ponytail. And I don't want to be buying all these store pack hair that I ain't got no business using. I'm gonna have time till tomorrow. Okay. Spray. Make sure I'm gonna lock my eye, because last time I nearly blind myself. I put in a ponytail, I get a massive headache. So like I mentioned in the first clip, this is a get ready with me video. My hair is not done. You're gonna see in the first few clips that I've done my ponytail already. So you've seen how I achieved my ponytail. I filmed that already using Got To Be. It's pretty good. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more just for a touch up. So I don't want to brush it up too much. I'm going to spritz some of this on the back of my finger. I'm going to use my edge brush to lay my edges because I don't want to spray because I just washed my face. So Release Vibes Cartel, World Boss. spraying. The spritz spray, so that's where my edges are gonna be. And then I go with my Got To Be Ultra Glue, because my hair is like 100% natural, so anything to lay my babies, I'm with it, as long as it could rinse out. Man, I hate listening to music on YouTube because I have to deal with the fucking commercials. So that's this side. That's there. Okay, so that's it for my edges. I'm gonna tie my edges down now. Okay, so now I'm gonna work on the curls on top. So what happened, why I look different in both videos, the first time I did the video I was trying to use extension because I showed you what style I'm trying to achieve, a style that my mom, that was her go-to hairstyle, but I like it, and I always thought that style was so cute. It's a simple ponytail, but like it wasn't long, it was just short, and she just curled it, like barrel curled it, or she used like the little smaller ones and do like little drop curls and fluffed it, so it just looked like a fluff ponytail. So I don't know if you can see in that photo how her hair is. These pictures are from the 90s, so I don't know if you can see, even this one's more cloudier, so you can have an idea of how her hair is. So I was trying to achieve that, but the bundle I got was too short, so scrap that, and I kind of got upset. But then I realized, like, look, my hair's actually like in a sleek ponytail, my hair is not waving up, let me utilize. Then my hair fell over like a waterfall, so I'm like, it probably won't be as full, but maybe I can achieve the same hairstyle. Let me just try. But I didn't film it, I just curled it, barrel curled it with my, I got so much stuff on this damn sink, it's crazy. So I just barrel curled it with my flat iron, but it's a good iron, it's titanium. It's by Theory. What am I talking about? Theory. It's by Theory.
What?
I'm reading upside down, excuse me. You guys know something can't talk and read already, so stay with me. Anyway, so I thought I would use my curling iron, my barrel iron today. I don't think it's the best iron, to be honest with you, but I've used it on hair here. I've never used it on my hair really, I just use it on bundles. So I thought I would try it today. So what I'm doing is, there's a little bit of what I did to hold my hair and keep it straight. So what I did was just comb my hair over like this. This is what my hair was, which is good because I went to the gym and everything, and see, my hair is still straight. So this but all this stuff is drying out my hair, so honestly I find that my hair is like shedding a bit, but it's also filthy, dirty as fuck. So I use this, like I spray, it's like spritz spray for me, but not now. So I don't know how it's gonna curl, reason being because my hair is not clean like when I first started. So I take small sections of hair, open the door a little bit. So I take small sections of hair, so you can see, small section, and I use and I just curl. So I'm curling in the direction I want my hair to go, so I'm curling back, So okay, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep using this iron. The curl is like too loose, see? So by time tonight, it's gonna fall into like a straight. So we are gonna scrap the iron. I'm not using the iron. So I'm gonna go in. So I scrapped this. Clearly it's not working. All it's doing is just drawing heat in this bathroom and it's making me hot. So I just use my flat iron at 400 Fahrenheit. So it's ready to go. So I'm going in with my flat iron. So this is the most heat I apply to my hair since I see, tighter curls. Since I so pressed it. So it's like I hope you guys can hear me clearly because I'm playing music in the background. Barrel curling it under, even though some of them are, you're mostly like, you see this like a spiral in a sense. So that's all curled. So what I go in and do is with my tail comb, if I can't find it, okay, and tweeze, you know what, tease them out a bit, because like I said, my hair is not full. Just to fluff it up a bit, especially the ones at the bottom. Oh, shit. You just play with the curls. Okay, so to hold it in place, go with my spritz spray. So this is what holds it and fluff it up. So you see how much volume I got on my head? And mind you, I don't have thick hair and my edges are laid, so oh shit. So that's my hair with my edges laid.
Thank you.